welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin. I'd like to share a quick DIY accessory solution resulting from a recent S10e smartphone upgrade to an S22. As with any upgrade, size changes required a brand new protective case and accessories. From many available selections, I originally chose an oval ring style holder for my S10, which seconded as a desktop stand. The next few images show how the finger style holder was glued to the protective case, and how the phone installed onto that case, and finally how they work together. While the glue never failed over the many years of use, the rotatable joint loosened somewhat and the finger hole was too small for winter gloves. So, considering the best choice for my new S22 case, the larger camera hole would offset the ring style too far, making it even more disadvantaged. But luckily, there's a wide selection of alternative band style solutions. These simple straps suggested an opportunity for a do-it-yourself approach, using on-hand Velcro strip material, which I will demonstrate here using a 15mm wide strap about 30 centimeters long. 20 centimeters is the fuzzy part, with hook material attached for the balance facing in the opposite direction. Starting below the case, bring the strap up into the camera hole, fuzzy side down against the case, and push the short hooks piece out through the speaker allowance. Fold the strap pieces behind the case as shown. With your hand in place under the strap, complete the fastening process to size for your hand. Trapped under the smartphone, this strap can be easily resized for use with or without gloves. And, so far, this DIY solution has been working out quite well and can easily be replaced if necessary. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.